Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another Dollar Tree video from my Dollar Tree organization series. I have great DIYs at the end of this video, so you want to make sure you stick around for that. But before I show you these budget-friendly items, please make sure you click subscribe so you can join the squad and be qualified for my subscriber giveaway coming up soon. Now here are those 6 Dollar Tree organization ideas. Number 1. With a little creativity and DIY power, you can transfer any Dollar Tree item into a clever life hack. Now here's an organization hack for those tall boots in your closet. It's a simple pool noodle from Dollar Tree, but it works wonders. This trick is a classic DIY, but I thought I'd briefly show you how to put pool noodles in your boots so they don't fall over when you put them in a closet. All you need for this project is a pool noodle from Dollar Tree, a knife or scissors, and your favorite pairs of tall boots. You want to cut the noodle into 4 sections depending on the height of your boot. 1 noodle should cover 2 pairs of boots. When cutting your noodle, it doesn't have to be a perfect cut. I actually used a box cutter to cut this noodle, but you can use scissors or a knife and that will work just fine. Make sure you place the pool noodle inside the boot all the way to the bottom of the shoe. You can basically use this for any type of boot, whether it has a flat bottom, a heel, or a wedge like this one. Once both noodle sections are inside the shoe, the boots will stand up very nicely because the noodle helps keep the boot standing upright. Again, this is a simple DIY project that you can do to keep your shoes looking neat for only $1. Now you can place all of your boots back into your closet and you don't ever have to worry about them falling over. Number 2. The next item is this plastic caddy, and I always see these caddies at the dollar store, and the awesome part is that you can use these for so many different things. Now this one is pink, but they do come in lots of colors and they are very sturdy. I like to use it as a cleaning caddy and stock it with some of the items and cleaning products that you often use around the house. You can add in your favorite products or anything that will help make cleaning a breeze. In this caddy, there's a bottle of Lysol all-purpose spray, Ajax, Pledge, a duster, and a microfiber towel for cleaning. Once the caddy has been stocked, it's ready to go from room to room, upstairs to downstairs, from bathroom to bathroom, wherever you need to go. You can take this with you to save time. Now that all of your products are contained in one place, you don't have to go looking for them, and this caddy can easily fit and be stored in your cabinet under the sink. Number 3. This is an over-the-door hook from Dollar Tree. At just $1, it's a very inexpensive way to increase your organizing space. You can remove clutter from your home simply by using the space behind your doors. You don't have to drill any holes, so you save time and money with this high-quality looking hook. You can hang this in your bathroom closet, laundry room, or anywhere you see fit to gain more space. You can come up with hundreds of ideas for this. It's perfect for the center of your doors. It's not bulky and it doesn't require any installation. It takes a matter of seconds to put up. Then you're ready to hang that purse, towel, or robe as I am here. You can use a hanger with this hook or the loop on the inside of your robe. Number 4. These are some of my absolute favorite things to organize with from Dollar Tree. This is a clear organizer tray, and Dollar Tree has different types of these which are perfect for your drawers. You can organize with these. Instead of the pricier clear containers, these work the same. Its rectangular shape allows for longer items to fit perfectly. Instead of putting these in the drawers, I'm going to use these in the pantry to organize plastic utensils and drinking straws. If you don't have a lot of drawer space for these extra items, this will be great for a pantry organization. These containers will allow me to keep everything separate but yet have easy access to all of the utensils. They can easily be pulled out when it's time to refill the plasticware. As you see here, the trays hold everything perfectly, and all of the plasticware was also purchased at Dollar Tree. Number 5. This next piece is a clear tray that I love because it has 3 different compartments and you can easily divide out different items. These organizers are such an awesome find. They can be used for different things around the house, but I like to use them for jewelry. It's great for organizing bracelets, watches, or other jewelry pieces that you wear every day. The multiple compartments help keep your jewelry collection neat and tidy, and also you can visually see what's in it because it's clear and open. This fits the jewelry really nicely, and you can also put several pieces in one section. Now this is how it looks with the jewelry placed in it, nice, clean, and elegant. What a wonderful way to display and organize your jewelry while only spending $1 for each organizer tray at Dollar Tree. When you need a quick, inexpensive solution for an organizing project, Dollar Tree always delivers. I'll make sure I put the link to this item below in the description box. Number 6. Spices and seasoning cabinets can get really hectic at times. You can keep your spices organized by using Lazy Susans like this one. They can be the perfect solution for a small cabinet. It allows you to easily access condiments that you reach for on a daily basis. You can also use these for your oils, sauces, and vinegars. The purpose of a Lazy Susan is to make a variety of items easily accessible with a simple turn, instead of moving things around to find a specific item. Now the Lazy Susan turntables here, they are from TJ Maxx, but I'm about to show you how to create your own Dollar Tree version by simply using items you already have around the house. Now let's make our Dollar Tree version. All you need is 2 round cake pans and a pack of marbles from the dollar store. I'm going to use the cake pans here that I got from Dollar Tree a while back. You can use a pack of marbles from the dollar store, but I already had the beads here on hand. If you have something that's similar to this, you can use that as well. Now I'm going to place the beads into the bottom of the cake pan. If you buy packs of marbles from the Dollar Tree, it should fill up the cake pan. After you have your beads or marbles in there, you want to go ahead and place the second cake pan on top of the marbles. Then you can go ahead and give it a spin. Now start putting your seasoning and spices on the pan. Make sure the names are facing outward so you can easily see what you're looking for. Also, it's good to buy your seasonings in the same style container for a more streamlined look. And there you have it, your own DIY Lazy Susan. It will turn just like a store-bought Lazy Susan, and these will make a huge difference in the organization of your kitchen cabinet. Now this should be no more than a $3 project if you're going out to buy items from the dollar store. Thank you so much for watching. Those were my 6 Dollar Tree organization ideas. Please share down in the comments which idea was your favorite. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the thumbs up and stick around to watch the other videos on my channel.